Hello everyone, then I will make the presentation according to the gate. E. Tell about yourself and what you do in a normal day. My name is Berta Garzon. I am 36 years old. I get up at 4:30 a.m., brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower, I dress and then I go down to the first floor of my house to make a breakfast and my poor baby Juliana, 4 months old. I served my husband and breakfast with him at 5:45 a.m. After he left for his work, I continue with my 4-year-old daughter Valentina and I prepare her to take her to school. After that, I continue my way to the Marshall Community Institution where I study English from 8 to 10 a.m. Then I head to my work where I work from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. I read at my house around 10 p.m. I take my dinner and study the words of the University from the 10:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. and finally I go to my room to sleep. B. Where do you live? What kind of place is it? I live in the city of Villavicencio Meta in the Monte Carlo neighborhood, located on the outskirts of the city. At the moment, they are carrying outwards to extend the road, and that is we. It is sometime we quit Conhes to go downtown. The place where I live is very beautiful, although it has several unpaved streets. They now is as the neighborhood of the closet set I live in the outdoor part. The best part of living here is that we have a continuous service of water. It has a very beautiful and large Catholic church. It is commercial and it has playgrounds in addition to a large ecology park. See, what do you want to do in your free time? I would like to spend more time with my daughters. Every time I see that they grow too much, I see that time is passing fast and a special moment. I would like to take them every day to the park, play with them, listen to them and talk to them more time during the day. Give it her and be there when the fall visits listening to all their stories. I would also like to watch funny movies and go for a ride on my bike. D. Think about your last vacation. Where did you go? How was the trip? My last vacation was spent together with my husband and daughter Valentina in San Andres 2 years ago for daughter's birthday. It was a very beautiful trip. I am very afraid of planning, and it was very difficult to go and come back, but well that I achieved it. It was our first time getting to know San Andres. It was spectacular to see the sea with clear water of various colors. We toured the island on a motorcycle. We met the Blower Hall and the unique island. We took a lot of pictures and had a lot of fun. E. What is your favorite time of the year to go away on vacation? My favorite time is February because there is summer and there is no storm. That is what I most fear when it comes to reading a plane. You get comfortable price for tickets. There is no congestion in the transport terminal, and so I can enjoy more comfortable with my family the place we want to visit. F. What do you think you will be doing 10 years from now? I will be working as virtual in English, sharing my knowledge with children and young people in a private entity, enjoying my daughters and knowing different countries. In addition, I will also be preparing in other languages such as French, Portuguese, and Mandarin. G. Tell about the best restaurant you ever went to. Why do you think so? The best restaurant I have ever made is in Leticia, Amazonas. Its name is Tierras Amazónicas. For the first time I ate the well-known pirarucu fish, which is truly delicious. It is prepared in different ways, but it is well known and consumed as pirarucu chicharrón. This restaurant is well known. It is in the center of the city. It is a special place because of the particular presentation of the place, because they have to put typical objects of the region. There they prepare many more specialties, but the one that I like the most was the dish of fish, singular fish. Okay, bye bye.